afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 934th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, this video coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Monday. That is October 22nd, 2012. Remember, before we go any further, this is Rocktober, right? And in Rocktober, more than any other month, futures trading can be extremely risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. I mean, substantial if you do not recognize the risks behind trading. If you do not recognize that a stop can be your best friend in this industry, you must know that futures trading is not suitable for all traders. If you do not have risk capital to lose, you certainly shouldn't be trading futures. All right, what is on my board? Lots of things going on here. Again, this video is 934. It is for trading on Monday. And what do we see? Red OMNI on the board for the E-mini, for the NASDAQ, for the Dow. And after seeing what happened on Friday, you'd have to expect some kind of follow-through to start off on Monday. There is this. October 1987, it's the same weekend, it's the same everything, it's the same flavor. We started out on a Friday with a pull down. And on Monday, we got walloped on this weekend in 1987. But traders, this may be the anniversary. And yes, it started going down on Friday. But I'm here to say this. Do not fall in love with the downside on this move overall. We are not at a pinnacle this time around. In 1987, we were right at a pinnacle on this weekend. This broke the markets back on Friday, and down we went. This time, this is 2012, we've already had our market breakdown in 08, and we've been recovering ever since. And we're only just getting into leg 2 or stage 2 of our recovery. So yes, it looks like it wants to pull down on Monday, but don't fall in love with the downside, because I don't think there's too much more downside coming. But we are on record. Monday, we're starting off in U.S. indices with a red OMNI, and we'll show you a chart for you to understand why. U.S. indices certainly looking bearish for Monday, but just for Monday, we'll take this one day at a time. And the natural gas looking strong. Natural gas has been on OMNI's radar for weeks. It's been telling me it likes natural at night. It likes natural. It thinks natural's going higher. So I thought I would bring natural to the forefront and see what you traders think of the charts. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, listen, if you like what you see, come on down to livewithoscar.com and do this analysis with me. Let's go see some charts. Okay, traders, since we've had the double top in the S&P, and the pullback, you had a little rally which did not get through that double top, but this is likely going to be considered a triple top now that we've put this one in, and a market will almost always take out a triple top after a decent pullback. So another day down on Monday. Yes, I don't know what will happen after Monday. We'll do this one day at a time, but don't fall in love with the downside, because triple tops usually get taken out at a certain point in time. So after a triple top is made, you get a pullback, then triple tops get taken out. Pullback we're looking for on Monday. There's your Emini S&P. NASDAQ looking no better. We're inside of this nice channel. You have broken out of the channel. Stochastics pointing down, as well as many other indicators. So you have NASDAQ pointing down, looking for more downside on Monday. We are selling rallies in the NASDAQ for Trading Monday. Let's move forward. Traders, look at the natural gas. It's been on OMNI's radar since about here. Love the bull flag it made. I've been watching it ever since. You have this large blue bull channel here. Then you have a parallel channel veering off. Looks more like an F flag to me. Very strong looking natural. I expect natural to be up here within a day or so. So you gotta like the natural gas. And then there's this, traders, a chart and a round of applause. Oh my goodness, just soak this one in. Traders, about 14 days ago, I told my Omniacs we are getting into the Australian-Canadian dollar spread. Long Australian dollar, short Canadian dollar. We got in down here. This represents how high and low it goes. We got in here. We just got out here on Friday, traders. Oh my goodness, rock and roll. Do you know what the street called the Australian-Canadian trade this week? The best trade of the week. And OMNI had it nailed before anybody out there knew it even existed. Rock and roll, go OMNI. So rock and roll, there are the charts. Rocktober, here we are. Red Omni for trading on Monday. We're selling rallies in the U.S. indices. And once again, rock and roll on the Australian-Canadian trade. The best trade of the week. OMNIX all over the street. Where did you get it? You got it from the Omni 14 days ago. You can't ask for more than that. When the street finally picked up on it this week, we were getting out and selling it to them. Here, you guys can have it at this point. Pass the ball. Gotta love it. All right, traders, again, if you like what you see, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come to my free chat room. Come to my... Wait a minute, how do I get... Mike, wait a minute, how do we get them to hear this? I've had so many of you contact me and go, oh, Oscar, I didn't know you had a chat room. I don't know how else to say it. Come to my free chat room. It's at livewithoscar.com. Think they'll get that?
I think so.
It's a free chat room. Oh, maybe they'll get that. I don't know. We'll see. All right, traders, come on down. Meet me in my chat room. I'll see you at the site. Don't forget, always try to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with keeping your emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Yes, yes. Do not fall in love with the downside, but give it a pat because we're going to see it on Monday. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.